Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make churros bites. Preheat oil to 350 degrees F and ready a piping bag with a star tip to pipe dough directly into hot oil. Mix water, butter, flour, and eggs until smooth, then transfer to the bag. Fry small rings or strips until golden brown, drain briefly, roll in cinnamon sugar, and serve warm with your favorite dip. Combine exact ingredients before starting to keep the process smooth and stress-free. Heat water and butter until it boils, then stir in flour quickly off the heat to form a paste. Let the dough cool slightly before mixing in eggs one at a time for texture. Transfer dough to a piping bag fitted with a star tip, which creates the classic churro ridges that trap cinnamon sugar for maximum flavor. Maintain oil at a steady 350 degrees F so bites cook evenly without absorbing excess oil. Pipe dough into the oil carefully and avoid overcrowding to keep temperature stable. Use a timer to fry each batch for consistent color and texture, usually 2 to 4 minutes depending on size. Drain on paper towels briefly, then toss in cinnamon sugar while still warm so coating sticks and flavors meld.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.